Hey there everyone, I'm Dan Reinman with Reinman Cues, and I wanted to do some video documentation of some of the machines and processes I'm using as I work towards consistent, repeatable results in my small little shop here. Today I wanted to give an overview of the Demon CNC XL and the spinning station from Billiards Innovations, both of which I'm currently using here. So this is the Demon CNC XL, designed and manufactured by Chris Walker of Billiards Innovations. It's a purpose-built CNC machine designed specifically for cue making, not a repurposed router or general use mill. It's designed to handle detailed cue work like inlays, ring slots, engraving, precision machining on round components, whatever you need it to do to build a cue. What stands out immediately is the rigidity and the accuracy of this machine, both of which are really critical when you're working to cue maker tolerances. Well, this is it. This is my small little less than 100 square foot space in the corner of my garage. And one of the biggest reasons that this machine works so well for me is how it fits into a very small, limited workspace. I'm not operating in a large production shop, so space really matters. Every machine has to earn its footprint, and the Demon does exactly that without requiring a dedicated room or large industrial layout. Even with its compact size, it doesn't feel like a compromise. It's solid, it's stable, it's purpose-built. It means I'm not having to work around the machine's limitations or sacrificing finish quality to save space. Because this machine is designed specifically for cue work, it's extremely efficient for the space it occupies. I can do detailed inlaid work, precise ring cutting, engraving, indexed operations, all on the same platform. I don't need multiple machines spread across the shop, and I don't need elaborate fixturing to get consistent results. So I also have the Demon spinning station installed, and I know Chris would hate that this thing's sitting on the side since it's just going to bother his OCD, but again, I'm in a small space here, so I need this sucker to run on its side, and it does just that with no problems. So this allows the cue blank to rotate under the CNC control while the cutting tool remains fixed. That rotational capability is ideal for operations that need even material removal or perfect concentricity, like shafts, dowels, wrap grooves, simple and complex tapering. So in a small shop, adding capability without adding more machines is huge for me. The spinning station effectively expands what the Demon can do without increasing the machine's footprint. Instead of adding a separate lathe or secondary setup, that rotational work happens right here on the same machine. From a workflow perspective, this setup lets me get everything consistent and repeatable. I'm spending less time refixturing, less time moving parts between machines, and more time cutting accurately. That consistency is what allows a small shop like mine to turn out professional level work. So thanks everyone for your time. This was an overview of the Demon CNC XL and the spinning station from Chris Walker over at Billiards Innovations. For someone working in a limited space but aiming for big shop results, this setup strikes a really good balance for me. It fits in a small shop, but it doesn't force small shop output. And that's been a key part of the process for me so far. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you all again soon.